If you're getting the unexpected error message on Roblox and it won't let you join games or even launch properly, this is what actually fixes it in 2026. Let's solve it fast, and quick heads up. If this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, fully restart Roblox. Don't just close the game. Completely exit the app or browser, then reopen it and log back in. Session glitches are the #1 cause of the unexpected error message. Next, check your internet, restart your router, and disable any VPNs or DNS changers. Roblox security sometimes blocks unstable or routed connections, which triggers the error. If you're on PC browser, clear your browser cache and cookies, then log back into Roblox. Corrupted session data can stop Roblox from authenticating properly. If you're using the Roblox desktop app, uninstall it completely, restart your PC, then reinstall the latest version from the official Roblox site. Partial updates are a common cause of unexpected errors. For mobile users, close the app and make sure Roblox is fully updated in the App Store or Play Store. Also turn off low power mode. Power throttling can cause launch failures. Another quick fix, check the Roblox server status. If servers are down or under maintenance, the error isn't on your end. You'll just need to wait. Pro tip, make sure your device's date and time are set automatically. Incorrect system time can cause Roblox login verification to fail and trigger this error. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your device and exactly when the error appears, and I'll help you fix it.